Well, now to Maryland's COVID fight. 400 people are in the hospital tonight fighting the virus, and the state reports almost 600 new infections. The positivity rate now just above 4%. And Baltimore City's indoor mask mandate is back in effect at this hour. Some businesses are going beyond just requiring masks. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live in Hampden to explain. Mike.
Denise, some want your proof of vaccination. Autobar is doing that for shows at their venue. Now, here in Hampden, you're seeing a lot of signs like this reminding people of the city's new policy that face masks are required to enter.
We are so over COVID. I just want this to end, and I know that if we take these precautions, we can help stop the spread.
Samantha Claassen owns Golden West Cafe in Hampden and welcomes Baltimore's renewed indoor mask mandate.
Having the city say that we have to have masks is a wonderful first step in the right direction, because it means that, like, citywide, people are going to be expected to do this thing, so it's much less stressful for the staff. They're going to get a lot less blowback.
She shut down for a few days last week out of an abundance of caution after a staff member was exposed to COVID. Thankfully, no one tested positive. Her entire staff is vaccinated.
In the last 10 days, we've seen a lot of small businesses in and around Baltimore close, if not for actual verified cases for exposure.
I'm sick of, like, silly rules, because, like, some of the rules just don't make sense.
But Ari, a customer, believes individual businesses should decide whether to mandate masks, not the government.
I think it really doesn't make sense because the state doesn't have a mask mandate.
Some venues like Autobar are mandating vaccines or testing to attend shows.
This was really a precautionary, all these measures were incredibly precautionary because we really don't want to go back to the time when nobody could go see anything.
Baltimore City's health commissioner says there's been a slight increase in vaccinations. She still believes masks are necessary.
We are seeing just exponential growth in the numbers of new cases. I think where I get particularly concerned are for our residents who are unvaccinated.
And again, masks are now required in businesses across Baltimore City. They're also required of the Archdiocese when you go to Mass or other facilities inside their buildings. And some employers like LifeBridge Health and the Baltimore City Housing Authority are now requiring employees to get vaccinated. Reporting live in Hampden, Mike Helgren, WJZ.